Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the fuel rail pressure sensor on Volkswagen Tiguan 4th generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that, how to test the fuel rail pressure sensor as well. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we will guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys, and you can see where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start right now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the fuel rail pressure sensor, before we start, guys, first thing you want to check is fuses and relays. Then you want to test that sensor. Make sure it works. It's quite easy. We'll have video on the channels how to test fuel rail pressure sensor. Check it out. Another thing, after testing, if it doesn't work, check the connector and the wiring harness as well. Let's explain about the fuses and relays now. Facing the engine, on the right side is the fuse box that we need. On the driver's side, this is the fuse box. Open the cover. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test the fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. First, we'll explain about the fuse box layout for this one, which is 2012 to 2017, the facelifted version of the Volkswagen Tiguan. Then we'll explain about 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan as well. Starting here, some of you may have fuse number 16. Okay, the fuse number will be next to the fuse, facing the engine on the left side. We don't have that one, but check that one. Fuse number 17 is very important fuse right here, guys. Okay, fuse number 18 right here, and then you need to check 23 and 24. Now, if you guys have 2008 to 2011 year model Volkswagen Tiguan, okay, the fuse box will differ, and what we need to check, let's explain about that now. We need to check fuse number 10, 13, 14, 15, all these fuses. Then we need to check fuse number 20, 21, 23 and 24. These are the main fuses that we will need to check, guys. We don't have relays. The relay functions practically, it's controlled by the engine computer. If you still have problems with it, we recommend to check fuses, relays for the engine computer. The video will be on this channel if you need help with that. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts to use fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.